So one of the main goals that the Pathways team has is to promote skilled trades and technology. And when we talk about skilled trades and technology, specifically with the college visits, we're looking to allow students in grades 7 and 8 to be able to explore different colleges and see what those trades and technologies are all about, so that when they are making choices later on, they can actually make viable and knowledgeable decisions for their futures. First off, students were given the opportunity through their teachers. So we put an expression of interest out. We had 1,000 students participate, 5 different schools in kind of the greater GTA. So those included Georgian College in Barrie in Midland, George Brown in Toronto, Humber College, Centennial, as well as Seneca. And they were able to do a variety of different hands-on activities. The instructors put together some really great things so that students were able to explore.
Today at Humber College, it's been a great experience. I love how immersive it's been, and it's really eye-opening to see what things I can learn in the future, and maybe what I might want to do in the future. If I want to do home renovation, plumbing, or welding.
So today we're getting a tour of Humber College and all the machines and robots. And we're also doing some VR stuff, and I find that really fun.
I knew there were a lot of different kinds of coding, different platforms, and we did something with these carts where we would move them around, and it was cool how you could move something physical online.
I learned how to program different types of technologies. I learned how to use different types of sensors as well.
The biggest thing we want students to know is that the skilled trades is a viable first choice option. And I think especially knowing that right now we have a skilled trade shortage, and we have 1.3 million people in the skilled trades industry. A huge percentage of those are 55 years or older, and so therefore there will be a huge need for people in the skilled trades in the next few years, if not right now. So there is a huge shortage, but also to recognize that it's a great pathway option for anyone that's looking to have their own small business or anything like that.
Through this experience, I feel like some people may be able to determine their future careers. We also got to test out things that we liked and did not like. So today I realized that I really like hands-on activities.
Say you want to potentially be doing engineering and stuff and all of that. It's fun to get to know what you're going to be doing ahead, just for to be prepared for it.
I mean, I want to be an architect, so using the technology, it could help develop my plans in advance.
Basically, we want students to be able to explore all of those pathway options, and we want them to know about it early so that when they hit high school and they're in grade 10 and thinking about their course selection for their grade 11 year, that they are looking at our Ontario Youth Apprenticeship program, and that they have the knowledge before that time so that they aren't backtracking when they hit grade 12.